So I'm gonna show you guys how I apply my lace frontal wigs. This was highly requested on my channel, so I'm gonna do it for you guys, and hopefully you guys learn something or, you know, enjoy the video. So I'm about to start off with cleaning my hairline with using alcohol. Now that is off, I'm gonna, last time I put on this wig, I didn't put my foundation on this, and I feel like if I do that, it might turn up the wig just a little bit, because last time I did that, it made the wig look better. So I'm gonna try to do that again. Don't know why I didn't do it this time. I think I just forgot. So we're just gonna put on some foundation that's closer to our, so basically making it a ball cap. Now it looks like a ball cap for real. Alright. So now that we look crazy, we're gonna get the wig. So I re-washed this wig, so it's freshly washed. So I'm gonna have to like straighten it and everything all over again. But we're just gonna see, make sure everything's working better. Make sure everything's lined up. And I re-plucked it, so it's like plucked even more, which I kind of like. Alright. Wow, I'm leaning. So I kind of want to put some foundation on here too, because I want this to look really good. And I've seen people do that as well. Alright, just painted this on. Let's try it again. Ooh, I think, yeah, that makes it look even better. Turn up. Turn up. Turn all the way up. Oh, yeah. Okay, now that goes stupid now. Alright, cool. So after I got it like looking how I want to, I like to flip it up and get the glue. I try to make it a really thin layer. Since this is all forehead, it's okay to get a whole bunch of glue on it. That's how I feel. Just make sure it's a very thin. So I just wait for this to get clear. Okay, now that's clear, I'm gonna do another layer. That's a lot, so we're just gonna try to smooth that over. Alright, I'm gonna do, I think 2 layers is good enough. So I'm just gonna place this on top. Make sure everything is placed right before I like start pressing it down and stuff, which I'm gonna use my comb to. So how I like to do it is just like push it, but like combing it and then pushing it back. So it doesn't really get into the glue, it just only the lace gets in the glue instead of the hair. So I got some a little bit. Let's move on to the next side. Alright, bet. So one side is down. Now it's the other side.
So I did the other side off camera, but now I'm about to show you guys how I do the edges and how I lay the baby hairs. So basically I just spray a little mousse on the baby hairs and use a toothbrush or, you know, an edge brush, and I whoosh them, and then I set it in place with some spritz. And yeah, I just follow that all around until my edges are how I like them.
So this is the finished product. I think I snapped even harder. I think it needed a much needed more plucking and everything. It looks really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and the link to this wig and everything about this hair will be in the description. I've been tagging them on Instagram, so if you guys can't like figure out their page, it's also tagged on Instagram with all my Instagram pictures. So I hope you guys see you guys in the next video.